Greetings, troops, and welcome back to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words. This is your Monday morning look ahead review of last week of the meme stocks. Let's get into it. Monday, the 15th of May, 2023, the start of a new trading week. Let's have a look back, see what happened to AMC last week. Bit of a disaster, troops, to be honest. We have dropped all the way back down to $5.20 from a pre-earnings high of, I think, just over $6. Yeah, $6.11. So we've lost nearly $1 in the trading week. And we have dropped below this rising level of support here, this ascending level of support. We've dropped below that. That concerns me a little bit, troops. We've got a little bit of a barrier down at the $5 area. So let's see if we get a bounce off that. But I was looking at this to see if this would hold as support, and it hasn't. It's broken below and it's failed to get back above it. So keep an eye on that this week, troops. That's for sure. $5-ish is a critical area as far as I'm concerned. But isn't it amazing? You know, everything that came out in earnings was positive. Okay, you know, debts are going down, revenues increasing, loss per share is improving, EBITDA's improving, everything is improving, and all we're doing is going down. So, you know, it's not reflective, is it, troops? But we know that by now. Again, the court case is going to drag on till the end of June, so there's a bit of a way to go for that, another 6 weeks or so. So let's just see what happens there. APE, again, not really too interested in this, troops. Excuse me, to be honest. It is what it is. It's consolidating. You can see that quite clearly there. If I just give you a bit of a drawing, where are we? I hate this new layout on Weeble. You can see that there. That's pure consolidation, that, troops. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's only going sideways. So consolidation. Over to GameStop. Not a bad week at all, troops, actually. We finished red on Friday, but overall, we've broken. There's so many bullish indicators on here, and I know people say technical analysis doesn't really count, but when you look at everything that's happened, going back to, well, we had that massive consolidation phase there between 24 and like $28. That was a huge channel. And we broke out of that. We broke to the downside all the way down to 1541. But then we got this double bottom, troops, a bullish indicator. We broke out of that. And then we got the positive earnings, which gave us a massive jump up. Then we had that gap to fill. We filled the gap as part of a wedge, a descending wedge. That's always, we've broken out of that to the upside. That's always positive. And now we're testing this level at 21.17. We've tried it a couple of times. We've rejected off it a couple of times. But it's really interesting to see where this is going, troops. Super low volume, some record low volume on GameStop. Things are getting a bit spicy here. And I know we talk about MOAS and we talk about price taking off and rocketing. But what if this is the start of a slow and steady squeeze that goes under the radar and we just continue on a very gentle upward trajectory with the odd correction here and there, which is acceptable, but we just keep going and we slowly start squeezing out the shorts rather than it being a violent move to the upside. I don't really care if it's violent or if it's slow and steady. As long as it's going up, that's all I care about. And that's all you should care about as well. But for me, there's so many positive things on that chart for GameStop. And it's clear as day to see it. When you map it out like this and you take an extra long view, you can see it clearly. So I'm going to be watching this now, troops. Again, the next level for me on a breakout is 21.17. Let's see if we can get above that. We have gone above it a few times, but we failed to hold it. So let's see. That's the next level for me. And with that being said, troops, that is it for this. I do hope you've enjoyed it. As always, if you haven't done so already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. Do look out for my other videos, which are not stock related. Transporter van going on in the background there as well. With that being said, as always, do take care of yourselves and each other. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, troops.